If you're looking for the car speakers, the best way to go is to look for the cheap and cheerful option. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the bell icon before we start today's video on the top 5 car speaker. Coming at number 5. Motorola Mobile Accessories Sonic Bluetooth Wireless In-Car Speaker. The Motorola Sonic Rider SP005BK/89589 and Bluetooth Wireless In-Car Speaker provides exceptional sound quality and the convenience of Bluetooth pairing for hands-free calling and wireless streaming of music through your vehicle's speakers. The speaker includes a USB port for charging smartphones and other MP3 devices and an integrated antenna to provide clear reception. Next, number 4. Two-way custom component speaker system 6.5-inch 400-watt component with electroplated plastic basket. This speaker is great for those who want to play high-quality audio and have an open soundstage while on the road. It's a great speaker for the music lovers and the audiophiles. This speaker comes with a 0.5-inch silk dome tweeter, a 40 ounces magnet structure, and a butyl rubber surround. The basket is made of electroplated plastic, and the woofer is made of poly injection cone. It is a 6.5-inch mid-bass speaker that has a frequency range of 90 Hz to 20 kHz and an impedance of 4 ohms. Coming at number 3. Car Two-Way Speaker System. The Pilegear two-way speaker is the latest series which has been designed and engineered for consistency and high performance. The 3.5-inch features an eye-catching yellow poly-injected cone for plenty of stiffness without added weight. The 4-ohm component audio speaker compensates the undersized wire found in many of today's cars. It also makes the most of every 120 watts peak power W/60 watt RMS your car stereo can deliver with rubber magnet boot cover. Next, number 2. 6.5-inch 3-way sound speaker system. This triaxial speaker system is the perfect speaker for your car. The 6.5-inch woofer features an eye-catching blue poly injection cone for plenty of stiffness without added weight. The 1-inch ASV voice coil is ready for high-temperature, high-wattage situations. The 2.5-inch mid-range driver is also a poly injection cone for maximum stiffness. Last in number 1. JBL GTO 939 Premium 6x9 inches coaxial speaker. JBL GTO 939 Premium 6x9 inches coaxial speaker is perfect for use in any vehicle and can be used as a replacement speaker for your factory or aftermarket audio system. The GTO 939 Premium has a great sound for the price. The GTO 939 Premium has a 3-way, 4-inch full-range driver, and is capable of delivering up to 100 watts of peak power into a 6-inch cone. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, check out our other videos. Goodbye.